Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru WRX manual. First, familiarize yourself with the three pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Next, learn the specific shift pattern for your WRX, which is typically a 5-speed or 6-speed transmission. Practicing smooth clutch engagement is crucial for a seamless start and preventing stalls. This foundational knowledge will build your confidence. To begin, press the clutch pedal completely to the floor with your left foot and select first gear. Then, slowly release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying a small amount of throttle with your right foot. You will feel the car start to move forward. For an upshift, press the clutch, select the next higher gear, and smoothly release the clutch again, continuing to accelerate. When slowing down, downshift by matching the engine's revolutions to your road speed for smoother transitions. Use the brake pedal to effectively reduce your speed, ensuring safety. For advanced drivers, the heel-toe technique involves braking and rev matching simultaneously, which can significantly improve your car's balance and responsiveness during spirited driving or track days. To further refine your driving, practice rev matching during downshifts. This reduces strain on the drivetrain and provides a smoother ride. Remember, the Subaru WRX features a symmetrical all-wheel drive system, offering superior traction and handling in various conditions. Consistent and precise control over both the clutch and throttle pedals is key to mastering your manual WRX.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.